am going to show you how to permanently reduce hair growth at home. Isn't that exciting? I was considering laser hair removal for so long, but I never got around to actually doing it since it takes up a lot of time fixing appointments and then I'll have to actually go to those appointments. Luckily, Braun has got our back with this wonderful Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL.
Now you must be wondering what IPL is. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, which helps in delivering permanent hair removal by using flashes of light to stop hair growth at the root itself. The Silk Expert Pro 5 can get you at-home permanent visible hair reduction in just 4 weeks. It's so hassle-free and convenient because all you need is 5 minutes on each area of your body once a week.
All of this with no pain, no ingrowth, and just one-time investment.
You won't believe how easy the Silk Expert Pro 5 is to use. It's known to be the safest, fastest, and most efficient IPL. It has 400,000 flashes per minute. The device works best on people with relatively lighter skin tones and darker hair color, since IPL focuses on the dark pigment, also known as melanin, in the hair, which damages the hair follicles and helps in reducing regrowth. And thanks to the Silk Expert Pro 5 Sensor Adapt technology, it reads your skin tone and automatically adapts the light intensity accordingly. It has 3 modes of comfort based on the area that's being treated. The device comes with 2 heads, a precise head for small areas and a larger head for wider areas. Here's how to use IPL safely and effectively. Start by shaving and drying your skin. Please remember to only remove the hair from its surface. Do not epilate or wax before the IPL session. Choose the right head for the body area you want to treat. Pro tip: select the extra gentle mode if you're treating sensitive areas. Now all you need to do is click, stamp and glide it along your skin. Click multiple times to stamp for precise treatment of small body parts. Here's a tip: use once a week for the first 4 weeks of treatment to see visible results. Now moisturize with your favorite moisturizer for smooth, flawless skin. I've been using this product for 2 weeks on this leg, and this leg is my natural hair growth. I couldn't be happier with the results. See how smooth and flawless. I am so in love.
Now time for some FAQs. Now that you know what an IPL device is, let's talk about a few things that you might be wondering about. Can I use IPL on the face? Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 is completely safe for use on the face, below the cheekbones. Although you cannot use it near your eyes or forehead, it works effectively on the upper lip, chin and jawline. But I do recommend doing a patch test before you use it. Is IPL suitable for intimate areas? It is safe for use on the bikini line, but it isn't suitable for the genital area where the skin may have a darker color and where there is a greater hair density. This will absorb more light energy and will definitely cause discomfort. Does IPL work for thick hair? Absolutely. IPL works very well for thick hair or dense hair. Will IPL cause ingrown hair? No. Since IPL targets the hair follicles, they no longer generate new hair. In fact, it eliminates the possibility of ingrown hair. If you have any more questions regarding the Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL, comment down below. Thanks a lot, guys. Be sure to definitely check out the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 for the best permanent hair reduction at home.